Green Revolution empowers you to have a more energy and water efficient home. Most people are under the impression that going green is difficult, expensive, and inconvenient. At Green Revolution, we believe in green technologies and advice that are easy, that quickly pay for themselves in savings, and that maintain your level of convenience while using fewer resources. We'll take you step by step down this path to join Green Revolution.
Hi, this is Jonathan Friedman from Green Revolution, here to talk about water heating. This is your second most expensive portion of your energy bill. It accounts for 14%. And right now we're just going to talk about the source of it. We're not going to talk about where it goes. That's for the bathroom segment. This is an energy guide label. It shows you that this model uses 5,227 kilowatts. That is estimated at $440 a year, but it's important to look at the fine print. That's from 1994, and based on 8.4 cents a kilowatt, which nowadays it's more like 10 cents, so it's even more than that. As you can see, this is an electrical water heater, not very efficient, as you can tell by the energy guide. And most energy auditors or green professionals or contractors, they'll come to your house. They'll recommend you get a tankless water heater, which could be very expensive, or a solar hot water heater, where you have to mess with the roof. Green Revolution understands you're not going to replace your existing tank until it breaks. That's why we offer the Geyser Heat Pump Retrofit. It just uses the air from the surrounding area to heat the hot water. And garage, obviously there's a lot of heat. In a hot environment like Florida that we're in right now, you can save up to 70% on your heating costs, and you can keep your existing tank. Not only that, there's a 30% tax credit for it, and it dehumidifies the area surrounding it, so your garage will actually be cooler, lowering your AC costs. And the best part, they last for 15 to 20 years. They pay for themselves in 2 to 3 years. And so if this tank that you already have breaks next year, you can always replace it with a new storage tank. If you decide to move to a new location, you can disconnect that heat pump and just take it with you wherever you go. Those of you who have an older tank, it's important to keep in mind, the water in this tank is heated up to 120 degrees. The air surrounding it's about 80 degrees. And so if there's not enough insulation, you could be losing a lot of heat. So you have to check the pipes as well as the heater. If it feels hot, then you're probably losing a lot of heat. Putting insulation can save up to 10% of heating costs. These are the easy to implement recommendations that I have for the hot water. Increase your insulation, retrofit your existing tank with a heat pump. This will pay for itself in 2 to 3 years, saving you hundreds of dollars a year.